Dear students, you are about to start an e-learning course on environmental auditing in the public sector. You may wonder how two things, seemingly so distant as the environment and audit, can be joined in one expression. However, I can assure you that this connection is very constructive. Audit is very useful for examining the government's activities and achievements for environmental protection, for example by analyzing the progress of environmental programs. We live in a world which relies on environmental resources and the self-regulating capacity of the Earth. You have all heard about climate change and air pollution, water scarcity, and so forth. The list of environmental problems seems endless. Some of these problems have global scale, others are local by nature. At the same time, governments everywhere in the world are adopting laws, developing environmental programs, serving environmental behavior, and taking several other measures to sustain our environment. Sometimes we hear about success stories, in other times the progress is limited. State audit institutions are independent organizations that in most countries have a mandate to analyze the success of government activities. They can also examine the reasons for some non-satisfactory achievements and make recommendations to the government. The course that you are about to take focuses on conducting performance audits with an environmental focus. Environmental audit has been a priority topic in the National Audit Office of Estonia since 2008, when we became the chair of an INTOSAI working group on environmental auditing. INTOSAI is the international organization of supreme audit institutions, and its working group on environmental auditing connects environmental auditors from nearly 80 countries. The 6 years of working with colleagues from all over the world and later on leading a European regional working group on environmental auditing have ensured us that environmental topics are high on agenda in many audit institutions. We have also learned that there is a need for easily accessible courses for environmental audit, and therefore we have compiled this course, which is suitable for future environmental auditors, but may also be interesting for others, for instance those responsible for the development or implementation of environmental policies. I hope that the course increases your interest towards environmental audit and supports you in your future professional activities.